सो एवरीवन, आज मैं आपको बुलाने वाला हूं स्टेज पर. यू आर कमिंग ऑन द स्टेज फॉर आंसरिंग दिस क्वेश्चन. Now I will ask you question and you simply have to answer them perfectly. You are the student of basic, you have done your 20 and 25 days, some of you have done even 30 days. So let's see in this 20 and 25 days how much you have improved yourself. Now the time has come to show your talent, your skills. I'm going to call you on the stage one by one. Each will be given 2 minutes to ask these questions, and you have to answer all these questions confidently. So just say me, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
How the chose?
Yes, sir.
हाई सर, कॉन्फिडेंस हाई होना चाहिए. परसोना वाले इंस्टीट्यूट, परसोना इंस्टीट्यूट के स्टूडेंट्स जो होते हैं वो हमेशा कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं. क्यों? ये कॉन्फिडेंस की दुकान है, जितना ले जा सकते हो ले जाओ. सो आर यू रेडी? सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल इन द स्टेज फर्स्ट हु विल कम. तैयार है सभी आने के लिए स्टेज पर? रियली? आ जाओ ब्रदर, कम ऑन द स्टेज. Just come. So are you ready to answer the question?
Yes, sir.
My first questions to you, when do you come here?
I come here at 8 o'clock.
At 8 o'clock. Okay, by which do you come here?
I come here by Activa 3G.
By Activa 3G. That's good, he's speaking the name of his vehicle, Activa 3G. Okay, so tell me, when did you purchase this Activa 3G? You said you come by Activa 3G. So my questions to you, when did you purchase it?
I purchase it.
Speak in mic actually, yes.
I
Yeah.
purchase it.
Do you remember when did you purchase it? 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 5 years ago?
I purchased it 5 years ago.
5 years ago. Okay, that's good. Now tell me something about, where do you live in Khandwa?
I live in Khandwa at Sumer Nagar.
Sumer Nagar.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. And how many days have you completed in Persona Institute?
I have completed 20 days.
20 days you have completed. Oh, that's good. So in these 20 days, my questions to you, what you have learned from here?
Basic. I have completed basic.
I have complete होता है कि I have completed होता है?
I have completed basic English.
Basic English you have done.
Yes, sir.
But you are not looking much confident. Okay, just show your confidence. Okay, now the next, with whom do you come here?
I come here at alone.
You come here at alone, yeah? I come here alone.
I come here alone.
Okay, answer correctly. Now tell me, the next questions to you, with which do you write in your copy?
I write pen.
I write pen, is it right? I write
with pen.
I write with pen. What's your full name?
My name is Satyendra Singh Tawar.
Atendra
Tawar.
Singh Tawar. Atendra, tell me, why are you feeling nervous on the stage? I have seen that on your bench when you sit, you don't feel uneasy, uncomfortable. But as when you are facing camera, before the camera, you are looking little bit nervous. Why?
Sir, थोड़ा डर लगता है.
थोड़ा डर रहे हो. Why you are scaring? Tell me, why are you getting fear? Give me reason.
Because my concept is not clear.
Your concepts are not clear, that is why. Is it right that confidence is better than knowledge, or knowledge is better than confidence? What do you think?
Confidence is better than knowledge.
He is saying that confidence is better than knowledge.
Sir.
But you are saying that no, I will, this is not a debate session, okay? We don't have to debate. But you are saying that your concepts are not clear, that is why you are unable to speak.
Yes.
So have you confidence? Tell me.
But अभी नहीं है सर.
Speak loudly.
No sir, अभी confidence नहीं है.
अभी confidence नहीं है. चलो कोई बात नहीं अत्येंद्र, it was a nice attempt and I would say that within 20 days अत्येंद्र you have improved a lot. Okay, so don't say yourself that I am not confident. You can if you believe.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
चलिए बहुत अच्छी clapping हो रही है everyone. Okay, next I'm going to call the youngest boy of our batch. Everyone, I would like to say to all of you that ये जो लड़का जिसको मैं बुलाने वाला हूँ ये हमारी क्लास का सबसे छोटा स्टूडेंट है. सबसे छोटा इन द सेंस कि 9 साल या 10 साल की उसकी एज है, लेकिन उसने करीब 15-20 दिन के अंदर अपने आप को बहुत अच्छा इंप्रूव किया है. आई थिंक 1 मंथ हो गया उसको आते हुए और उसने काफ़ी कुछ अच्छा इंप्रूव किया है. एंड द गुड थिंग इज दैट ही इज फ्रॉम हिंदी मीडियम. नाउ दिस ईयर ही हैज टेकन एडमिशन इन इंग्लिश मीडियम, बट बिफोर दिस ही वाज इन हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल. और बहुत ही अच्छे से उस बच्चे ने अपने आप को विद इन अ मंथ अपने आप को इंप्रूव किया है. मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा द वन एंड ओनली रुद्र प्रताप सिंह. क्लैपिंग फॉर हिम. So Rudra, just come here. Okay, Rudra दिखाई दे रहा है हमारे कैमरा में? Okay. So Rudra, first tell me, how old are you?
I am 10-year-old.
He is 10-year-old. Okay, he's saying that I'm 10-year-old. So Rudra, tell me, in which class do you study?
I study class 5th.
Class 5th?
Yes.
Okay, in which school do you study?
I study Education Academy Khargone.
Education Academy Khargone. He studies in Education Academy Khargone. That's good. Now, Rudra, I'm asking you questions based on these WH words. So you have to answer them. Are you ready to answer it?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Are you confident?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I'm confident. Say.
Yes, sir. I am confident.
Okay, and where are you learning English? My first question.
I am learning English from PI.
From PI. What is the full form of PI?
Persona Institute.
Persona Institute. Very good. Now tell me, at what time do you come here?
I come here at 30 o'clock
At 30 o'clock. Okay, why don't you come at 8 o'clock?
because
My grandfather. Yes.
my grandfather is
Come at 8:30.
8:30. Yes, sir.
That is why.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just leave it. Now tell me something about your friends. Who is your best friend in the class?
Apurva Patil.
Apur Patil is your best friend.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's good. So he's very mischievous boy.
Yes, sir.
And he's your friend. Chalo, that's good. And who is your best friend in your school?
My best friend is Ashwin Rathod.
Ashwin Rathore.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's good. He's your best friend.
Yes, sir.
So if Ashwin is watching this video, I would like to say that your friend Rudra is learning English from Persona Institute and he's improving very much. Ashwin, you can see. Now, Rudra, my next questions to you. How many times do you come here?
I come here at one time.
Only one time?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when do you come here? In the morning only?
Yes, sir.
Don't you come in evening?
No, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now tell me something about your plan. What do you want to become?
I want to become an engineer
You want to become an engineer. Why?
because my father said became an engineer.
Okay, your father said that you should become engineer. That's why you are becoming. But tell me, don't you think you should do the work that you like to do? You should not go according to your father.
No, sir.
We should not go against our parents according to him. This is his ideology, right? Yeah, very good. यार, अच्छी ideology है. I respect it. Okay, the next questions to you, Rudra, about what should I ask you? यार, you are answering everything well. Now tell me, why are you learning English?
Because my English is very weak.
Your English is very weak, but
Yes.
now, right now, your English is not weak.
Yes.
Okay, you are answering very well, and within a month you have improved a lot. थोड़ा सा grammar का test ले लूँ मैं?
Yes, sir.
चलो देखते हैं present perfect का structure क्या होता है?
Present
Perfect.
subject plus has plus V3 plus object.
अरे क्या बात है यार? चलो simple past का structure क्या होता है?
Simple past का
हाँ.
subject plus V2 plus object.
अरे वाह यार, इसको negative करो तो subject will be V2 plus object को
Negative.
हाँ.
Subject plus did not plus object.
Did not के बाद में कुछ missing हो गया?
V2
V2 की V1.
V1.
V1 very good यार, ताली हो जाए रुद्र के लिए. आपको बता दूं मैं व्यूअर्स की टेंसेस एक ऐसा टॉपिक होता है जो कॉलेज वाले स्टूडेंट्स को भी दिक्कत देता है. बट रुद्र ही इज 10 years old और इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से कंप्लीट किया है. मतलब आप उनसे टेंसेस में कुछ भी पूछ सकते हो. चलो मुझे बताओ सेंस ऑफ 4 के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है?
So since point of time के साथ लगता है और for period of time के साथ लगता है.
एक सेंटेंस बोल के बताओ जिसमें सेंस लगे.
तो since लगे. मैं सुबह से क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ.
ओके.
I have been play cricket since morning.
आई हैव बीन प्ले होता है कि प्लेइंग होता है?
Playing.
Yes, very good, yaar. And before the camera, I would say to all of you, when we speak before the camera, you know, it's very tough, but still he's trying and he's giving his best. So एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो यार रुद्र के लिए. Have a seat, Ruth. बहुत अच्छी clapping for him again. Now I'm going to call on this stage the next speaker, the one and only. Yes, Rudra ka friend, Apurva Patil. How are you, Apurv?
I'm fine, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I ask you all these questions, Apurv?
Yes, sir.
Will you answer them confidently?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, first tell me your future plan. What do you want to do?
I want to do a pilot.
You want to be a pilot. Why?
So it's my dream.
It's your dream.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's good. In which school do you study?
St. John's Convent High Secondary.
I study in.
I study in St. John's Convent. High
Okay, and when do you come here daily?
I come here at 8 o'clock.
At 8 o'clock. Okay, and don't you come in evening?
Yes, I come in evening.
In evening, when do you come?
4 o'clock.
At 4 o'clock. Now, I think your exams are running.
Yes. No, sir.
When your exam will start?
At March.
At 8 March होता है कि on
On 8th March.
On 8th March, your exam will start. Okay, so are you studying for your exams?
Yes, sir.
I want full answer.
I studying for my exam.
Yes, sir, I'm studying for my exam. Now tell me something about your family. How many members are there in your family?
My family members are 10 members.
Are you from joint family?
Yes, I am from joint family.
Okay, very good. What does your father do?
My father is doctor.
Doctor. And your mother?
My mother is housewife.
Housewife. Very good. And just tell me something about your brothers and sisters. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one sister,
One sister. What is her name?
Ayushi Patil.
Ayushi Patil. What she is doing?
She is 10th class.
She is 10th class. Ki she is in 10th class.
She is in 10th class.
Very good, Apurv. You need to work on your mistakes right now. Okay, that's very good, Apurv. The next questions to you. How many times do you eat food in a day?
3 times. I eat food in 3 times.
You eat 3 times.
Yes, sir.
Is it a secret of your health? Okay. Chaliye, chaliye, Apurv. That's very good. Clapping for Apurv, everyone. Nice attempt. Chaliye, chaliye. Apurv, over there I have seen that you are very much confident. But when you face camera, you are also looking nervous a little bit. Okay, okay. Chalo, next. Who is going to come? Who is going to come? कौन आना चाह रहा है? कौन आना चाह रहा है? Oh my God. Mine wants to come. Now everyone, I'm calling on the stage the youngest girl of the batch, Maheen Fatima. Maheen, come on the stage, dear. Yes, tell me your full name.
My name is Mahin Fatima.
Maheen Fatima, how old are you, Maheen?
11 years.
Why are you thinking much? Rudra is 10 years. You are 11 years. From the girl side, you are youngest one, and from the boy side, Rudra is one. Okay. Chali, that's very good. Now tell me, in which class do you study, Maheen?
I study in class 5th.
Class 5th you study? Very good. In which school?
KV Khandwa.
In KV Khandwa. Okay, that's good. Now can I ask you any question from the board? You can answer all these questions well?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, with whom do you come here?
I come here with my Didi.
With your Didi?
Yes.
Okay, what's the name of your Didi?
Misbah Sheikh.
Misbah Sheikh. You come with your Didi. Okay, that's good. And tell me something about your friends. How many friends do you have in your school?
One.
One friend you have.
Yes.
What is her name?
Pratibha Soni.
Pratibha Soni. Oh, that's good. So is she your classmate?
Yes, she is my class.
And who's your class teacher in your school?
KV. Vipul Yadav sir.
Vipul Yadav sir. But these days your schools are not running.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think the Vipul Yadav sir was your class teacher last year.
No sir.
This year he is your class teacher.
Yes.
Okay. So do you attend online classes?
Yes sir.
Are you satisfied with online classes?
Yes sir.
Really? Are you learning from online classes?
Yes sir.
So how do you attend online class? On Zoom app, on Google Meet.
WhatsApp.
Okay. On WhatsApp you attend?
Yes.
I think they send you link.
Yes.
Okay. And you just have to watch the video
Yes.
on the WhatsApp. Chali, that's very good. Now just tell me, what's your dream? What do you want to become?
I want to become a lawyer.
A lawyer you want to be?
Yes.
Oh God, so for a lawyer you need to be very talkative. You know, you need to actually lengthen the small topic, right? Because a lawyer must have good ideas. Then you can be a lawyer. और अभी से झगड़ा करना start कर दो आप. Start fighting from today so that you can be a good lawyer. Okay. Don't fight. I'm just saying. I'm just kidding. Okay. Now the next questions to you. Tell me, Maheen, something about something about Khandwa city. You are basically from Khandwa.
Yes, I'm basically from Khandwa.
And in Khandwa, where do you live?
Hatai Imambara, Imlipura.
In Imlipura you live.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Chaliye. The last question I would like to ask you about. What should I ask you? Yes. How far is your house from here? From the Persona Institute, how far is your house? 1 kilometer.
Yes.
Okay. So how do you come here? कैसे आती हैं आप यहाँ?
Bike.
By scooty with your sister.
Yes.
चलिए, very good यार, बहुत अच्छी clapping हो रहा. Nice.